So guys, suppose we are making a presentation for our road trip video, and for that we need some text. Let's add some text. Ctrl plus T or click on this icon. Let's insert the text. Single left click. Road trip. Let's center them. But it seems like our text and the background have almost the same color, so we need some stroke. So how to add the stroke? Go to character. If your character is not here, you can go to window, then enable character from here. Then this is our fill color. Let's change the fill color so that we can see what we are doing. And the back one is the stroke color. So single left click, another left click. Let's add the stroke color. See? And to change the stroke width, you need to change this value. Let's change it to like 10. To delete the stroke, just click on this small icon, then left click on your fill color. Done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.